Hey friends, in the previous video you saw how to update nodes, and in this video we will learn how to delete a node from a database using an ID. And after this video, the all four basic CRUD operations will be done, and we will move on to more stuff in the next video. So let's get started. So we will create a delete endpoint, and it will be very similar to all the above ones, and it will also take an ID. And very similar to all the other ones, we will read the ID uh, and convert it to integer, and if not, -1. And then we will call db.delete in nodes entity, and this will take just the expression that the node which has ID equals to the one that we are sending here, and it will also return the number of rows. So we will just copy paste this stuff from the put method and just change a little bit. So we will copy paste the whole thing, and if the rows affected equals to 1, we will say HTTP status okay, node has been deleted, otherwise node failed to delete. So let's rerun our server. Go to our postman and let's delete the one with the ID 12. So we will open our delete endpoint and change the ID to 12. It says node has been deleted, and then we get all the nodes and see that the node with the ID 12 has been deleted. And if we try to get the node with just the ID 12, it will say it's not found. So let's delete another one. So let's delete the node with the ID 3. And it says node deleted. And now see that the node with the ID 3 is not present here. Let's try to delete this node again. So it says node failed to delete because it doesn't exist. So this is how you delete nodes from the database in Ktor using KTORM. I hope you enjoyed this video, and give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I will be posting more videos soon. Thank you very much.